Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am excited to bring to you guys a M3 MacBook Air. Now this is a bit souped up, as you guys know. If you guys do look at my unboxing for the laptops, I always try and get it spec'd up a little bit. So this is the Starlight version, and if you see up top there, that's a M2 MacBook Air in the midnight blue. So this is the Starlight M3, okay? So this is just the unboxing. So if you guys like it, please do subscribe. I do all of these by myself, so pretty excited about this. All right, so the spec'd up version is, it's got a bigger hard drive. So storage, the SSD is, well, no longer hard drive, SSD, and that's 512, and also the memory is 16 gigs instead of the usual 8. All right, let's get this M3 opened up. This is my first M3 I've opened up in this channel. Okay, let's get this opened. Okay, so you've got the braided cable that it normally comes with, as you can see, and other than that, you've got the little booklet and the charger. Now the charger, I believe, is just still the 30-watt charger. So the 35-watt charger you get with it, even though it's spec'd up. There's no option to get the dual or the other one. Okay, opens up like this. And I think we just slide it out. Okay, that's it guys, that's the Starlight. It's a bit goldenish tinge to it, yellowish tinge. Did I just dirty that up, or was it marked from before? Alright, so that's basically it. The camera is having a horrible time trying to focus on all these shiny bits, okay? And yeah, that's basically it. That's how it looks right next to the midnight blue or whatever. All right, thanks for watching guys. I hope you appreciate the unboxing. Please do subscribe. I need you guys to subscribe. It helps the channel out. And thank you so much. Take good care. Bye bye.